Welcome to the Forgotten World. Today, we're uncovering the secrets behind one of the most iconic structures ever built, the Taj Mahal. While it's famous for its beauty, few know the heart-wrenching story that lies beneath the surface, a tale buried for centuries. The Taj Mahal, known as the seventh wonder of the world, is a dazzling marble monument spread across 42 acres. It's worth over $1 billion today. But what makes the Taj Mahal truly remarkable isn't just its size or the artistry. It's the love story behind its creation, a story of sacrifice, tragedy, and hidden mysteries. Look at the four pillars at the corners of the Taj Mahal. At first glance, they might seem perfectly vertical, but they actually lean outwards. Why? The reason is both artistic and practical. These pillars are tilted slightly outward so they wouldn't appear to lean inward from a distance. More importantly, they were designed this way to protect the Taj Mahal in the event of an earthquake. If one ever occurred, the pillars would fall outward, safeguarding the tomb. To understand the Taj Mahal's significance, let's travel back to the early 1600s. The Mughal Empire, one of the most powerful of its time, ruled over much of India, Pakistan, and Afghanistan. In 1607, the youngest son of Emperor Jahangir, Khurram, celebrated his 15th birthday. Little did anyone know, this prince, later known as Shah Jahan, would go on to build the world's most famous monument. That day, Shah Jahan's life would change forever. He married Mumtaz Mahal, the daughter of a royal advisor. From the moment they met, their bond was instant and profound, a love so deep it transcended time. Shah Jahan's love for Mumtaz Mahal was unmatched. Over the years, he led victorious battles and expanded the empire, but no conquest compared to his devotion to her. In 1628, he ascended to the throne, marking the Mughal Empire's golden age. Yet it was his love for Mumtaz that defined his reign. In 1631, tragedy struck. Mumtaz Mahal died while giving birth to their 14th child. Shah Jahan was devastated. He mourned for days, unable to eat or sleep. His beloved wife was gone. But before her death, Mumtaz had made a simple request. She wished to be buried in the most beautiful tomb in the world. Shah Jahan vowed to fulfill this wish. 6 months after her death, construction on the Taj Mahal began. Shah Jahan spared no expense. Over 20,000 workers, craftsmen, and laborers from across the empire were enlisted. Building a tomb on the banks of the Yamuna River wasn't easy. The soft land posed a risk to the foundation, so Mughal engineers dug deep wells until they found dry soil, which was filled with rubble and stones, creating a solid base. The construction materials were just as challenging. Shah Jahan insisted on only the finest materials. Thousands of elephants transported marble from Rajasthan, over 400 kilometers away. This marble, called Makrana, was considered the best in the world. Shah Jahan even reserved the entire supply for the Taj Mahal, ensuring no one else could purchase it until the project was finished. The most striking feature of the Taj Mahal is its massive dome, standing at 40 meters. To construct such an imposing structure without modern steel was an extraordinary feat. The dome was engineered so precisely that contemporary architects still marvel at its balance and stability. One of the Taj Mahal's most fascinating aspects is how it changes color throughout the day. At sunrise, it appears dark, almost black. As the sun rises, it takes on a soft pinkish hue, turning brilliant white as the day progresses. At sunset, the marble glows golden, casting a warm light over the monument. After 22 years of labor and countless sacrifices, the Taj Mahal was completed in 1654. But despite his success, Shah Jahan paid a heavy price. The project drained the Mughal Empire's treasury. By 1658, his son Aurangzeb seized the throne. Shah Jahan was imprisoned in Agra Fort, where he could only gaze at the Taj Mahal from a distance. In 1666, Shah Jahan passed away and, as he wished, was buried beside Mumtaz Mahal in the very tomb he had built for her. Their eternal love was immortalized in the Taj Mahal, a monument that has captured hearts for centuries. The Taj Mahal is more than just a tomb. It's a symbol of eternal love, sacrifice, and the passage of time. Its secrets lie hidden in plain sight, waiting to be uncovered. A monument to a forgotten world, and a love that will never fade. Thank you for joining me on this journey through the forgotten world. If you enjoyed this story, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Until next time.